In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a domain on Squarespace 7.0. First, head to the Squarespace account dashboard in your browser. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land on your account home. From here, click Dashboard to open the main controls for your sites and services. On the left-hand side, look for the Domain section and click it. If this is your first time using Squarespace domains, you may see a message indicating there are no domains yet. Click that prompt to open the Domains area. You'll see two primary options, one to transfer an existing domain you already own, and another to get a brand new domain. Because we're registering a new one today, click Get a Domain. That takes you to Squarespace's domain search page, where you can explore available names and extensions. In the search field, type Squarespace, as shown in this example. You'll want to type the word or brand you're actually aiming to register, but using this example helps you see how the results are displayed. After the search loads, scan the list of suggestions and variations. When you see the option labeled Squarespace.work in the results, click it to select that domain. This demonstrates how to choose a specific extension from the list. If a different extension better suits your brand or industry, you'd choose that instead, but for now we'll stick with the example. Once the domain is selected, proceed by clicking Checkout. That takes you to your cart so you can review your choices before you pay. Open the cart overview so you can see everything that's included. Next, click the domain item listed as Domain 1 to expand the details. Then click the domain itself, in this case squarespace.work, to view and adjust its settings in the cart. You should now see the registration term options. Many people default to a shorter term, but it can be useful to lock in your domain for multiple years if you're confident in your brand because it reduces the chance you'll forget to renew. Click the current term, which may be set to 3 years, to open the drop-down of term lengths. Now choose 10 years to extend the registration. You'll see the totals update to reflect the new term. Next, click the Renewal Details line. This section shows the renewal date and the price you'll be charged in your local currency, plus any applicable taxes. It's important to understand when the renewal will occur and how much it will cost, so you can plan your budget and avoid any service interruptions later on. With that reviewed, open the order summary to confirm everything looks correct. Double check that the domain name is spelled exactly as you want, that the extension is the one you intended to buy, and that the term length shows 10 years, or whatever you selected. This is a great moment to make sure there aren't any typos or accidental selections before moving forward. When you're satisfied with the details, click Continue to Checkout. This will take you to the final checkout process to complete your purchase. If you see any fields for contact details as you proceed, enter accurate information so your domain records are set up correctly. Keep in mind that prices and taxes can vary by region and by extension, so your totals may look a little different depending on where you're located. That's the full workflow. Access your account dashboard, open domains, choose to get a domain, search for the name, select the extension you want, proceed to checkout, review the cart, adjust the registration term, check the renewal details, verify the order summary, and continue to checkout to finish the registration. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll secure your domain on Squarespace 7.0 with confidence. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.